Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, sidra.createss. Today we are going to paint a burning matchstick so you can burn all those people who hate your art. Let's start painting. We are going to paint him this easy burning matchstick. It's very quick and simple painting. Even beginners can paint it if they follow all the instructions correctly. We are going to use lighter color on the upper part of the stick, then use black color for flame. We start with blue color and purple, and then a flame shape with the white color, and it's outlined with yellow. If you did not understand any part, you can ask me on the comment section. Always use thin brushes for outlining main object in the painting. Eye isn't as hard as people think, that if you do it with love and passion, you can create a masterpiece. Painting isn't as hard as people make it sound, but it'll become hard if you don't like to paint. If you love something, it will become easy for you. Could become natural, do what you like, and hard work won't feel hard anymore. Now we are going to paint black color all over the sheet, but be careful not to ruin the flame while painting black color. If you want any art advice, you can comment, and if you like my ad, please like and subscribe. If you want me to make a tutorial about something, please comment as well. Now we are going to remove tape. It's just a happy little accident. Now we are going to cover it with tape and with some black color. If you want to become a great artist, you have to create art with consistency and dedication. No one is born with talent. Anything you practice becomes your talent.